Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about, the most profitable and in-demand local side hustle businesses, right? You're looking to make a buck, you're looking to build a business that can earn you some extra income. So if you're looking to make some extra cash, you want a new business opportunity that's going to be in demand and is proven to be profitable. So let's explore the top 8 side hustles that are not only profitable, but in high demand in local areas. All right, first up, we have personal tutoring. With education being a priority for many parents, there's always a demand for tutors in subjects like math, science, and languages. To succeed, you need patience, expertise in your subject, and the ability to communicate effectively with students of various ages. Up next is freelance graphic designing. Businesses and individuals are constantly seeking talented designers for logos, websites, marketing materials. Success in this field requires a keen eye for design, proficiency in design software, and the ability to understand and deliver on a client's vision. For animal lovers, pet sitting and dog walking can be both enjoyable and lucrative. This hustle demands reliability, good time management, and a genuine love for animals. Building trust with pet owners is key. Cleaning services are always in demand. From busy professionals to rental property owners, clients need trustworthy individuals to keep their spaces spotless. Success hinges on attention to detail, efficiency, and making sure that your customers are happy with the areas you focus on and your work. Fitness coaching is perfect for those passionate about health and wellness. With a focus on personalized fitness plans, you can help clients achieve their health goals. Certification, knowledge of nutrition and exercise, and motivational skills are crucial. If you love cooking, consider becoming a personal chef. Busy professionals and families are looking for healthy, home-cooked meals. Success requires culinary skills, creativity in menu planning, and the ability to cater to various dietary needs. Digital marketing is also essential for businesses today. Offering services like social media management, SEO, and email marketing can be very profitable. You need to stay current with digital trends, understand analytics, and develop effective strategies. Lastly, event planning. If you're organized and love bringing ideas to life, this could be for you. From weddings to corporate events, clients need planners who are detail-oriented, creative, and excellent communicators. You could even help plan kids' birthday parties. It's a huge load off for parents. So there you have it. And if you are starting a local side hustle, check out Mighty Site's $9 a month simple professional website for your small business. It's the easiest way to launch a website, but there were 8 profitable and in-demand local side hustles. Each of these businesses requires hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity, but with the right approach, they can be incredibly rewarding for you personally and in your new business venture. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Click share, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. We'll catch you in the next video as we talk about how to grow your side hustle and improve your business. Until then, I'm wishing you mighty success.